Before starting the disassembly, keep the required tools ready. Power off the tablet and remove the card tray using an eject pin. Place the tablet on the general heating platform with the TP facing down. Heat the middle frame for 3 to 5 minutes at 65 plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius. Use the vacuum cup to pick the central area of the TP at a position near the side buttons. Lift the TP with moderate force and insert the disassembly tab about 2 to 4 millimeters into the gap between the TP and middle frame. Slide the tab to open the 4 edges until the TP is detached from the rear cover. Avoid touching the fingerprint sensor during operation. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 silver screws from the battery B2B connector steel sheet and main FPC BTB connector steel sheet in sequence. Use the plastic tweezers to remove the battery BTB connector steel sheet and the LCD B2B connector steel sheet from the PCBA. Use the BTB connector removal tool to remove the battery FPC B2B connector and the LCD FPC B2B connector. Remove the residual adhesive from the rear cover and TP. The TP is now removed. Use the general adhesive attachment fixture to attach one piece of adhesive to the TP. Fasten the TP, LCD B2B connector and battery B2B connector in sequence. Install the TP, LCD and the battery B2B connector steel sheet. Fasten the 3 screws to the steel sheet. Use the vacuum cup to pick the TP LCD. Align the TP LCD with the lower right corner of the rear cover assembly, then with the upper right corner, and then with the long edge of the device on the left. Place the tablet into the press-fitting base mold. And put them into the general press-fitting platform. Rotate the handle of the press-fitting platform until the handle cannot be rotated. Press-fit the device for 2 minutes and then take it out. The TP is now installed.